Hello Internet and welcome to Unbox Surgery. Today let's talk about Google and the acquisition for Google to Fitbit. Fitbit is very known about their smartwatches and their fitness trackers. They have a ton of them and they are suitable from the youngest to the oldest, from the smallest to the biggest, from the less features to the rich feature fitness tracker. This deal was closed for about $2.1 billion, which is insane. So first thing that comes to my mind or the people's mind is that Google is willing now to compete with Apple, with their Apple Watch of course, and they will produce obviously a premium smartwatch in that case. So if you come to think of it, Fitbit didn't release any fitness premium smartwatch. They don't feature Google Wear OS and they are very minimal into features. The only smart thing they are doing is just like notification, and the rest of the features are just fitness oriented. So how come Google now is just buying Fitbit just to compete with the Apple? What I think is that because Fitbit is very oriented toward fitness, Google will be able to tap into the health data of all those people who bought Fitbit before. And they can take advantage of it. Of course, I don't think Fitbit will allow Google to use it in advertisement. Let's recall what Google is doing recent for the past 3 years. Previously, Google used to deal with other companies in order to produce their smartphones, like the Nexus. But recently, Google shifted to do the design and the manufacturing in-house with the new Pixel 1, 2, 3, and 4. And when you come to look at the Pixel, it is a flagship, yes, but it never meant to compete with the iPhone, a premium smartphone. Instead, Google used their leverage in the AI and the deep analysis and showcased that in their phones. And we can tell that with their superior camera, of course. The camera is similar in terms of hardware with other phones, but the software that runs the camera is the superior one because they are using deep analysis and AI, and they have a very big data from all people pictures, and they can do or correlate all this data together and produce a very fine and great pictures. Same thing goes with Google Assistant. So Google uses their hardware to demonstrate their pioneer in AI and deep analysis. And the same thing will happen with the next Google smartwatch. It won't be the premium high-price smartwatch, but Google will implement an AI or a software that use AI and deep analysis and correlate all this data, the health and fitness data, and give some advice to the people that is using their smartwatches. Like for example, you sleep for half a day and you eat a very high calorie or unhealthy meal. Then you never exercise. So what will Google be able is that it can predict your weight gain within 10 days, 20 days, or just a month. You will gain 10 kilograms within the 13th day if you kept this lifestyle. So this is Google's main intent in buying Fitbit. They are just buying their big database. And this can be very helpful, especially into the smartwatches, because smartwatches just like they are tracking you and they just giving you a result, a real-time result. They cannot predict what will happen to you. For Google in this case, they can take any data from you if you are working out or no, your lifestyle is very bad or very good. You might have a very serious disease and they can predict it. At least they can tell you. It doesn't have to be right or wrong. They just giving you a warning that there might be something in your body and you need to take action. And they giving you this warning ahead by 30 days or a month or week, which other smartwatches cannot do. So again, Google will never produce a premium smartwatch. It will just produce a smartwatch to showcase their AI and deep analysis. So anyway guys, if you agree with me or don't agree with me, discuss it in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.